Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the FreeMoon token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content coming out on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I'd really recommend subscribing, as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, here we're just going to open up our Trust Wallets. And I'm just going to let you guys know once we're in Trust Wallet here that I'm not going to show you how to create your wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video. If you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things, I'd really recommend watching my other videos that I have linked in the description and comment section so you guys can learn how to do that first and then come back to this video. But the most important thing is that you have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet. So if you just have your BNB in your normal BNB wallet right here, all you have to do is click on BNB, click on swap, and then right here you'll see swap to Smart Chain. You just want to make sure that you have BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet, or else it will not work and it will not show up on PancakeSwap. So that's very, very important. Once you have your BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet, you're now good to go to the next step. The next step is just going over to CoinMarketCap and then copying the contact address and then coming back into your Trust Wallet and putting it in here. So now if you guys just go to the link I have in the description and comment section, it'll be over to CoinMarketCap, and then I'll show you guys what to do next once you're on there. And once you're on CoinMarketCap here, all we have to do is go over to where you see contracts. All the way over to the right, you'll see two little squares. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then it will copy the contact address. Once that is copied, we can head back into our Trust Wallet. Then all we have to do is go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And then here at the very top, we can go ahead and paste the contact address in here. And then you'll see the FreeMoon token. So we can go ahead and enable the token and then click on done. Once you have the token enabled and ready to go inside of your Trust Wallet, all we have to do now is head over to PancakeSwap. And I'll have a link in the description for PancakeSwap as well as in the comment section over to PancakeSwap. And then, of course, you could always just Google it yourself. Once you're on the website, though, I'll show you guys what to do next. And once you're on PancakeSwap here, all we have to do is connect our wallet first. So we just want to go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Once we click on Connect Wallet, we're actually going to click on Wallet Connect at the bottom here. Once you click on Wallet Connect, you will see this Choose Preferred Wallet button here. So you have a couple different options. You could use MetaMask, Rainbow Wallet, doesn't really matter. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. Once you click on Trust Wallet here, you're going to see this Connect screen. All you have to do is click on Connect and then head back over to our PancakeSwap. Now you know your wallet's connected once you see your wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as the balance of BNB right above BNB right here. Now all you have to do that's left is click Select a Currency, paste the contact address in this top search here. You will then see the FreeMoon token pop up here. All you have to do is click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now, once you have the tokens ready to go in here, the last thing we have to do is just change our slippage tolerance. So we just go besides where we see this little settings gear right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then right here under Swaps and Liquidity, you'll see slippage tolerance. Now, I would recommend using 12% for this token to start off. Now, it does depend on the liquidity of what you would put for slippage tolerance. As of the time of recording of this video, I'd recommend using 12%, but this could change depending on the liquidity at the time that you're watching the video. So you may have to move the slippage tolerance up, but it will work. You just might have to move the slippage tolerance up, not a big deal. Anyhow, all I have to do now is just exit out of here, and then you can go back up to the top and decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the FreeMoon token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 1 BNB. I can put 1 BNB, and then it will show me the amount of the FreeMoon token I'll get in exchange for that. Now, if you're happy with what you see here, all you have to do is click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. For you, it should just tell you to swap. Once you click on swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. Now, if you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time, and then you should get a successful transaction notice. Once you receive that notice, you can then exit out of here and go back into your Trust Wallet, and then your tokens will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the FreeMoon token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.